Okay, I am back. I am hoping this is recording well. For some reason, my camera just cut me off. I thought I emptied the... Well, anyway, we're back. So I'm going to go ahead. Let me go zoom you real close so you can see the poor butterfly in there. Here he is. I'm going to outline him. Now, there is some glue around. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's cool already. I was getting ready to be disappointed, but if it does nothing more than that, I think I'm already happy. I'm going to try and put, I'm pushing hard, I'm just lightly putting down more pigment, so maybe we'll get some kind of blossomy bloom thing here so you can actually see how this works. Now, sometimes where there's glue, you won't see the bloom with the black one. Well, let's see what happens with the white one. Okay, here we go. A little water in the cup. Q-tip. Okay, should probably get a fresh Q-tip, but it's way over there, so we're going to use this one. This is very wet. Okay, if there's going to bloom, what's going to happen now? Are we blooming? Well, that's an interesting look. I would say it's different, and I think it has its place. Wasn't exactly... Oh, but it is kind of interesting, isn't it? Look at that. I mean, it looks very steampunky, old, dead forest wood, rusty metal, kind of aluminum powdery kind of look. Huh. Okay, I think I'm happy with it. I was unsure. Now you can go back in and touch it up with the wetness if you want. It's still wet, so I don't know if this will lay down now, because I think it might be repelling a little bit because of the ink. But hey, that's kind of a cool... You don't want to make it look too picture perfect, but kind of like loosey-goosey. I think there's something here. Well, there you have it, folks. That is the clear evidencia. Is that a word? I don't know. Of whether this stuff works or not. And I'm pretty happy with them. I would say the black is the golden one, meaning that works really well. That's like high reward, high use, high reward. Brown has its place. It's a little different. Maybe I needed more water. I don't know, but I still gave some pop, which is good. Not dramatic, but pop. And then here is white. So you decide how you'd like to go with those. All right, let's pick some winners for our Scrappy Contests. Hold on. Okay, here we go. This is for the Fabric Scrappy Contest. If your name pops up, you have won. This is the only way I notify you. I do not DM you. I do not reach out to you. I do not email you. I don't do any of that stuff. Only if you see your name pop up here do you know you're an authentic winner. Sometimes we have a troll who likes to pretend like everybody won, but no, that's not true. And they reach out to you and ask you to DM and go on Telegram and all this weird stuff, but they're big fakers. Fakers. So this is the real Fabric Scrappy Contest winner for this week. And all you need to do is email me at Pam@ThePaperOutpost, your name and mailing address, and tell me you won the Fabric Scrappy Contest. Here we go. Is it going to be your name? Is it going to be your name? Maria Portillo. Maria Portillo. There you go, Maria. Congratulations. You won the Fabric Scrappy Contest. So by next Thursday, go ahead and email me, and you will receive your prize. So let us go ahead and pick another winner. Okay, this is for the Paper Scrappy Contest. Same instructions. Here we go. Is it going to be you? Is it going to be you or you or you? And it's Karen Roloff, 456. Congratulations, Karen Roloff. So there you go, folks. We have our two winners. Guess who we have here for the pup date? Hello, everybody. It's Sunshine. I'm seeing very far away. That's better. Okay, I have a very, very important thing to share. I was in the park today with Mom. We were walking along innocently, and all of a sudden there was a person with 4 dogs. 4 dogs. Mom, how come that person had 4 dogs? Well, I don't know. Maybe they're a real dog lover. Does that mean you don't love dogs 4 times as much? Are you trying to tell me something? No, not Sonny. No. I love dogs more than you could ever imagine. You know how I know I can prove it to you? How? I had 4 dogs before. What? You had 4 dogs before? Before me? What? I don't know. What? Mom, you got some explaining to do. All right. So before you, Sonny, at the same time, yes, I'm listening, we had Ludwig, Penelope, Samantha, what? And Angel. What? You had 4 What kind of dogs? I gotta know. They were all like you. Really? Do you love me more than them? Don't ask that. You're all my favorite. Okay. And where are they? Well, what can I say? They lived a long, happy, healthy life, and then it was game over. I don't ever want the games to end, Mom. Don't let the games end. They're not going to end for a very long time. You're just a little Sputnik. I know. And how old are you going to be? 3. Okay, so yeah, you're doing good. You feeling healthy and strong? Yes. Not too many treats? No. No, definitely not too many treats. And are you walking in the park? Yes, yes. Okay, you drinking enough water? Yes. Okay, that's all we can do in life. Yep, we just do our best. Okay, we'll do our best. All right, everybody, happy crafting and do your best. Okay. All right, Sonny, thank you very much. Okay, everybody, take care. Thank you. Thank you very much. Whoop, you got a hair of mine on you. Don't eat it. Okay, there you go. He's back in his bed. Okay, so there you go. We have managed to mass make a whopping 3 of these. Now, normally this doesn't take that long to make, but since I'm yakking and I'm showing little techniques, sometimes it takes a little longer. And I also goofed up the first video by somehow, I didn't do anything, and my camera just turns off sometimes. But there you go. So if you don't know, welcome everybody. Whether you have been around a while or you're brand new, this is the Paper Outpost, and this is where we make junk journals, talk about crafting, have fun, playing with the papers, and even with our scraps. If you are interested, I have a free monthly emailed newsletter, and the link is down below in the description box. Why? Why would you sign up for that ever? Because you get a free digital image emailed to you every month. You get a checklist of supplies to look for as you're traversing the world for your junk journals. You get a note from the bookmaker, which is a nice little explanation typed out. And you can change the wording, the font, anything you like, or use it as is with my blessings. But I like to, it explains what a junk journal is and how to use it for those. I know there are still people on this planet that don't know what a junk journal is, and they certainly don't know how to use it. And they don't even have to be used. They could just be admired on a mantle. You can tuck this, or I tuck this in the beginning of my junk journals just to give everybody a little bit of, idea of what on earth they just got as a gift. And you get also a page list of ideas on how to break a blank page, which is something that many of us struggle with, me included. And my videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts, which are audio material, talking about junk journals, life of a crafter, answering your crafty questions, and fun stuff like that, on Tuesdays and Thursdays on any podcast platform that you listen to. And I also have video podcasts which pop up on Spotify that you can watch, which is kind of cool. And I have an Etsy shop, so if you like journals and bundles and kits and fun things like that to buy, when I have those available, they will pop up in my Etsy shop. Sometimes I do a big fanfare that they're there on social media splash, or announce it on a announce it on a video, or sometimes I just sneak them in there. So come on by, you never know what you're going to find. And also I sell Digikits, which are printable downloadable images, 5 pages each of themed images. So if you want to make a bunch of journal cards or pockets or tucks or focal points for your cover, things like that, you're going to have a pool to pick from very easily. You print these out at home and use them as you like. If you don't have a printer or don't like to print, I offer a print and mail service. All you do is buy the print and mail service option, and then you email me your list of 10 Digikits. So it includes 10 Digikits, which is going to give you 50 printed pages on lightweight cardstock. So just send me your list to pam@thepaperoutpost.com. That's my email, or just through Etsy message. You can just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. First 2 or 3 words, I'll know exactly what Digikit you're talking about. And I have an Amazon shop. If you're looking for favorite tools and supplies, you're going to see a link for those that I can find there. That does help my shop if you use my links, but you do not pay more for the items by using those links. So thank you. I have a t-shirt shop. If you like the phrase create with reckless abandon, or everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise, then ho ho, hey hey. You can get that on a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a zipped hoodie, a mug, a tote, or a water bottle. Very nice for gift giving for yourself, family, friends, or other crafters. And remember, oh no, wait, don't remember yet. You can find me on social media on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. I have a Facebook group page, the Paper Outpost Facebook group. Come on over. We're having a lot of fun and inspiration over there, doing weekly and monthly challenges, as well as seeing what you guys make from these videos. And remember, most of all, that fun can be simple. And create with reckless abandon, everybody. Until next time, bye-bye.